Okay, this is going to be a quick video on how to use the Design Center. So say I'm in a drawing, I'm in a brand new drawing. Let's get out of here a second. And I'm going to open a brand new drawing. So I've got a brand new drawing that doesn't have anything in it. Meaning I don't have any special layouts. I don't have any layers or anything like that. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to bring layers and I want to bring my layouts that has my title blocks from an existing drawing. So one of the things I can do is I can open a drawing that I know has all the stuff I want. You can just know that there is a drawing that has the things that you want. So if I look at here, okay, I've got this drawing open. And if you look at this drawing, it's got all of these layers and everything that I might want. And it has my title block that says B-size on it. So I'm going to go into my drawing that doesn't have anything, has no layers or anything else. And I'm going to go to the Design Center. So my Design Center is, I am going to go to the View tab. I'm going to go to the View tab. And in the Palettes section, here is your Design Center. So I click on my Design Center and it should bring up something that looks like this for you. There's a couple of options on here. We can go to Home, which takes you to all of your directories. We can look at the history. The history just shows you what you've been into before, if you've been in here. Or I can go to my Open Drawings. And my Open Drawings are, because I have this one open that has the things that I need, so I can go in here to my Open Drawings. And look at this, when I go to layouts, it says I have a B-size layout. I'm going to drag and drop. I can go to my layers. I need a centerline layer. I need a dimension line. I need a hidden layer. I need the title block layer. It was probably on there, and the viewport was probably on there, but it's okay to drag and drop them. So now that I'm in the drawing that I'm in, I can go over here, look at all my layers are there, and I've got a B-size, and all is right with the world because I set it up correctly on that last page. And I go to the Page Setup Manager and say Modify, and it's going to show this, it's going to show this, and it's going to show that one just because I'm in a weird drawing and have my monochrome. So there you have it. It's pretty easy. Even if you don't have that drawing open, if you have a template, if you have the drawing for a template, I always tell my students to save their template. They can save their template as a drawing so they can use this, because you can go to any of your folders. Any drawing does not have to be open. So I'm going to go over here. I know down here it's my stuff. I'm going to go to the D directory, and I'm going to go to Classes. I'm going to go to 2402. And I'm going to pick one of my drawings, and let's just say this 1035 drawing. I can click on it, okay? And now I'm in that drawing, and I can look at its layers. I can drag and drop from there. I didn't actually open it. I can drag and drop from there. Layouts 1 and 2. If I have any table styles that I have or anything that I've set up that I want to use, I can just drag and drop it. And I didn't actually open an additional drawing. Anyways, there you have it. Hope this helps.